How to verify Instagram business account. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to verify your Instagram business account. The very first thing that you want to have to do first before doing the process is make sure that you're using the current or the latest version of Instagram application so you will not encounter any bugs and crashes in the future. So we'll just pull up our Instagram account right here and make sure that you're fully logged in. At the lower right, you should be able to see your profile pictures. Simply tap on that, then you will be redirected into your profile. Now, going back to the top right, you should see this three lines. Tap on that, and then we will be using the search box just to make our life easier. Tap on that, and then here, just simply type in request. Now, choose on request verification. So this is where all the magic will apply. In here, you just need to confirm authenticity by adding your full name. If you will be uploading documents like a physical ID card, then make sure that the document type is selected based on the file that you will be uploading. Again, complete all this necessary informations here for you to be able to verify it without any hassle. And that is how you verify your Instagram business account.